Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a structured breakdown of the role of AI and its influence on customer retention rate in a contact center. Let's talk about how predictive analytics can transform retention from reactive to proactive. First, AI models. By analyzing call history, sentiment, complaint frequency, billing issues, and survey scores, AI can predict which customers are most at risk of leaving. Second, proactive retention actions. These at-risk customers can then be flagged for targeted outreach before churn actually happens, turning data into action. For example, if AI predicts that customers with 3 or more unresolved complaints in 60 days have a 40% higher churn probability, the system can auto-flag them for a priority retention queue. Remember, the real power of predictive analytics lies in acting early, not just understanding why customers left. Let's talk about how sentiment and emotion detection can strengthen retention efforts. First, real-time monitoring. AI can detect stress, anger, or dissatisfaction in a customer's voice tone, chat language, or even social media comments. These early signals give you the chance to step in fast. Second, supervisor alerts. When a high-risk conversation is detected, it can be escalated live to a supervisor or specialized agent for immediate intervention before the situation escalates further. Third, post-interaction analytics. By identifying clusters of negative sentiment, businesses can spot emerging churn risks and launch targeted retention campaigns to address the root causes. Remember, detecting emotion in real time turns frustration into opportunity and saves relationships before they're lost. Let's talk about how personalization can elevate customer retention. First, AI-driven routing. High-value or at-risk customers can be directed to senior or more empathetic agents, ensuring they receive the best possible care when it matters most. Second, customized offers. AI can suggest tailored discounts, upgrades, or loyalty rewards based on each customer's profile and lifetime value, making the retention experience feel personal and relevant. Third, next best action. In real time, AI can guide agents with smart recommendations on how to retain a customer, using insights from their historical behavior and past interactions. Remember, personalization turns every interaction from routine to meaningful. And meaningful interactions build loyalty that lasts. Let's talk about how service optimization powered by AI can drive stronger customer retention. First, workforce forecasting. AI-driven workforce management improves forecasting accuracy, reduces wait times, and strengthens service level performance. And better service levels lead directly to higher retention. Second, self-service intelligence. AI chatbots and IVR systems resolve routine issues faster, lowering customer effort and improving CES scores. The easier the interaction, the more likely customers are to stay. Third, knowledge base automation. With AI keeping the knowledge base constantly updated, agents always have the right, real-time answers, improving first call resolution and overall customer loyalty. Remember, optimized service isn't just about operational efficiency. It's about removing friction and building trust in every interaction. Let's talk about how agent empowerment through AI can make a real difference in customer retention. First, AI Copilot. Real-time guidance during calls, like empathy cues, compliance checks, and resolution scripts, helps agents deliver more personalized, confident, and retention-focused interactions. Second, automated after-call work. By letting AI handle call summaries and CRM updates, agents can spend more time on high-value retention conversations instead of being buried in admin tasks. Third, skill gap analysis. AI can identify exactly which agent behaviors, like tone, resolution accuracy, or response style, are linked to retention outcomes. This enables targeted coaching that drives measurable improvement. Remember, empowered agents aren't just efficient, they're loyalty builders. Let's talk about how strategic and leadership actions can amplify customer retention efforts. First, retention dashboards. AI-powered dashboards give leaders a clear, real-time view of churn and retention trends across customer segments, products, or regions. That visibility turns data into direction. Second, root cause analysis. AI can pinpoint recurring drivers of attrition, like billing disputes, long wait times, or gaps in agent empathy. This helps leadership focus on the issues that matter most. Third, scenario forecasting. By modeling the impact of changes in staffing, pricing, or policies, AI can predict future retention outcomes, helping leaders make smarter, more informed decisions. Remember, strong retention isn't accidental. It's the result of clear visibility, targeted action, and strategic leadership. Let's talk about the economic and brand benefits of improving customer retention. First, revenue protection. Higher retention means higher customer lifetime value and stronger ROI on acquisition spend. Every customer you keep strengthens the financial foundation of the business. Second, cost efficiency. AI automates manual retention tasks and enables proactive interventions before customers leave, reducing the cost of churn and improving overall efficiency. Third, brand reputation. Faster, personalized interventions reduce negative reviews and turn potential detractors into advocates, protecting and enhancing your brand image. Remember, great retention strategies don't just protect revenue, they fuel growth and build brand strength. In summary, AI transforms retention management from reactive firefighting to proactive prevention. It predicts who might leave, giving businesses the power to act before churn happens. It empowers agents with real-time tools and insights to deliver confident, empathetic service. It personalizes experiences, making every interaction more meaningful and relevant. And it optimizes operations, ensuring faster, smarter, and more efficient retention efforts. The result? Higher customer retention rate, lower churn, and stronger financial stability. AI doesn't just help retain customers, it builds loyalty at scale. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.